Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to be taking a test. We are going to be taking test 8 for lesson 80. Your test has 19 questions, okay? How is this going to work? We're going to first review, then you're going to be taking your test. Okay, so I'm going to be asking you some questions that are going to be on your test, not in the same order that you're going to be answering them. So let's start with reviewing some vocabulary. And this is a review video, okay? So you don't need your book with you right now until you take your test. So you need to listen big, all right? So we have been learning some new sentences and some new words. I'm going to be asking you what words mean a certain definition. Let's go ahead and read these 3 sentences in the box together. When I say get ready, you're going to read them with me, okay? So let's look at the first sentence. Everybody, where my finger is, get ready. Lawyers with talent normally succeed. Next sentence, get ready. A dozen typists approached the stairs. Next sentence, get ready. The job required a consultant. Awesome. Now I am going to be pointing to some of these questions in different order. All right. So from these sentences, there are some words that are underlined. Okay. Now, those are the words these questions will be asking you about. What underlining names people who help us when we have questions about the law? Think big. Get ready. Yes, lawyers. What underlining refers to special skills? If you have special skills, you have a what? Look at the box. Get ready. Yes, talent. What underlining means usually? If you usually do something, you get ready. Yes, you normally do something. What underlining means the opposite of fail? From these underlined words, what's the opposite of fail? Get ready. Yes, succeed. What underlining means needed? If you are needed to do something, when you are needed to do your work, you are what? To do your work. Get ready. Yes, you're required to do your work. Okay? What underlining names people whose job is to type things neatly? That one's easy. Get ready. Yes, typists. Typists are hired to type things neatly. Okay? What underlining names a person who is hired for a special job? Remember Bertha? When they hired her to do a special job, she became a what? Get ready. Yes, a consultant. Right? So, with that being said, we reviewed vocabulary. Okay, boys and girls. Let's review other questions. look at this right here on the screen. There's letters P, Q, M, N. All right? Now, listen big. Which arrow shows the direction the crude oil is moving at A? That crude oil is moving at A. Get ready? Yes, M. You can see it going up like that. Okay? Now, which arrow shows the direction the crude oil is moving at B? Look at B. Get ready? Yes, P. P. Okay? Gasoline comes from a liquid called... Where does gasoline come from? It's a liquid called, and we just mentioned it up here. Get ready? Yes, crude oil or oil. Okay? Now, yesterday we read some sentences that used the word weakness. Listen to question 11. Write the sentence using other words for the word weakness. Here's the sentence that they give us. His love of money was his weakness. Do you remember what other words meant weakness? What other words meant weakness? Get ready? Yes, Achilles' heel. So how would you say this sentence instead of his love of money was his weakness? Think big. Get ready? Right. His love of money was his Achilles' heel. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and review this right here. Look at this picture, boys and girls. Which letter shows the crude oil? J, K, or H? Get ready? Yes, the crude oil is J. Okay? And look, it's dark right there. And it's at the bottom. Which letter shows the refinery? Get ready? Yes, H is the refinery. And which letter shows the pipeline? Get ready? Yes, K. Remember, crude oil is gathered, it goes up, and then it moves this way down, okay, until it gets here. Once again, crude oil, pipeline, refinery. Awesome. Let's look at this picture right here. Okay, more labeling. What liquid does the D show? Look at the D and look at the color. What liquid is that, boys and girls? I'm going to give you 3 options. Crude oil, fresh water, or salt water? Crude oil, fresh water, or salt water? Get ready? Yes, crude oil. What about F? What liquid is that? Get ready? Yes, it's salt water. And you can see it a little bit darker than this water over here. What would this be right here? What type of water would E be? Get ready? Yes, fresh water, right? And we're always going to find fresh water towards the top, and we're always going to find salt water towards the bottom, okay? right? Can you name 2 types of whales? Name 2 types of whales. Get ready. Yes. Freshwater and crude oil, or water and oil, right? Okay, boys and girls, well, try your best on the test. You are going to submit this test under the assignment tab labeled MT8 Cambridge. Cambridge MT8 lesson 80. All right? Don't send me a picture of it. Make sure you upload it on the assignment tab. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye, Cambridge.